Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy pancake recipe for you. It's a banana bread pancakes. So simple, so easy, and they taste just like banana bread. So let's get started and I'll show you how to make them. First, we'll start by mashing a banana. To that, we're going to add an egg and some milk, and you can use a milk substitute if you like. And then we'll add some vanilla, and we will mix it well with and I find a fork works really well here. After we get it mixed really well, then we're going to add some flour and some baking powder, salt, and nutmeg. You can use cinnamon if you prefer instead of nutmeg too. Now to stir it, I found that it was easier to stir with a spatula, and you just want to moisten the dry ingredients here. And now we'll just spoon it onto a hot griddle or skillet and let them cook until they're bubbly on top, and give them a flip, and they brown very nicely. And once they're brown on the other side, it's time to serve them. And these are really nice served with a few banana slices on top and a little powdered sugar. Or you can use regular syrup. And that's it. That's how easy this banana bread recipe is. And if you'd like the full printable recipe, just look for the link in the description. If you don't already subscribe, I would love to have you. Click the subscribe button, and then be sure to click the bell too, so you'll know when we have new videos available. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.